You got your string? What'd you do with it? Where is it? Morgan. What is so exciting about strings, Morgan? Oh, now you're going to put it between your toes like you do, aren't you? What? Morgan. Oh, I see. You got both feet, huh? What are you doing, Morgan? Morgan. Hi.